Welcome back into the farmhouse kitchen, and we're just going to show you a quick recipe for cooking French beans, the most delicious French buttered garlic beans. And all we've got here is prepared French beans. I've just topped these, I haven't tailed them, and in there we've got 2 cloves of garlic which have been very coarsely chopped, 2 tablespoons of water, and a good knob of butter. If you don't want to use butter, you can use vegan alternatives, margarines. Very good now, the butter substitutes, they'll do just as well. And what we're going to do now is just pop the lid on here, pop them onto the Aga, bring it up to the boil, and then it will go in the Aga for a further 10 to 15 minutes. Thing with these is not to overcook them, you just want them tender, and then they'll be served. And I will show you the end result. They taste absolutely gorgeous. Anybody that loves garlic, this is the only way to eat green beans. Okay, we've just brought the beans to the boil on the Aga. You can see those simmering nicely in those combination of water and butter, and now we're just going to transfer those into the simmering Aga and leave them there for around 10 minutes. If you don't have an Aga, then just turn the hob down and cook them on just so that they're just braising, basically, for around 10 minutes. And here are our braised French beans in that garlic butter. It's quite watery, don't worry about that. Just tip them out. It's going to be served with that garlic. Get all the garlic out of it into the bowl, and just look at that beautiful tender French beans in a garlic butter sauce. Beautifully moist, beautifully tender. Absolutely, the aroma off those is fantastic. Best way of eating French beans ever.